Welcome to our video tutorial on preparing pine bark for consumption. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to transform this natural resource into a delicious and nutritious ingredient. So let's get started. Step 1. Harvesting. Begin by finding a healthy pine tree with thick bark. Gently remove small sections of bark using a knife or sharp object. Step 2. Peeling. Carefully remove the outermost layer of the bark, ensuring not to damage the inner layers. This can be done by slowly lifting the edges and peeling it off. Step 3. Cleaning. Rinse the peeled bark with water to remove any dirt or debris. Pat it dry using a clean towel. Step 4. Drying. Lay the bark flat in a well-ventilated area or use a food dehydrator. Allow it to dry completely, which may take several days. Step 5. Grinding. Once the bark is dry, use a mortar and pestle or a grinder to turn it into a fine powder. This will make it easier to use in various recipes. Step 6. Storage. Transfer the powdered bark into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. This will ensure its freshness and longevity. Now that you've prepared your pine bark, you can use it in a variety of ways. Add it to smoothies, baked goods, or sprinkle it over salads for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Thanks for watching our ultimate pine bark preparation guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on utilizing natural resources in your everyday life. Happy cooking!